Check out this beautiful genuine leather jacket. I just got it from Daniel Smart Manufacturing. It's called the Black Orchid. It's very stylish. It has a inside zip outliner that's full length, and it has also these pockets for concealed carry. It has some great interior, lots of style, and something that I feel like I can enjoy on any bike ride. And I just love this Night Orchid jacket. It's great quality. And it's CE certified armor pockets for safe riding. And this is all from Daniel Smart Manufacturing.